Today we have a real straightforward project. We're just going to extend this one downspout out away from the house down to that tree line. We're going to use the new French Drain Man 3.5 inch pipe. Put it with a pop-up emitter right there. We'll have the French Drain Man downspout clean out. So we have our downspout clean out in. It's coming right off this is going to be handling majority of the water, because that's all that water from the top up there, and then it steps down to here. That's going to come on down, go on out to the end. We're not finished yet over there. Just wanted to show you this. We have the tracer wire in there, so this will be so that it can be located in the future and not get lost and not have to be cut the next time somebody's digging through here. And we'll put the pop-up right back there. So we're all finished. We preserved the grass. There's a little bit of dirt left over, so we just seeded and strawed the area. Pipe goes right through here. French Drain Man pop-up. Exit right into the natural area. If you need a drainage pro in Charlotte, North Carolina, reach out to Drain My Lawn at 704-489-3444 or check us out at drainmylawn.com.